Lord, what's up? Shoes before it's God, stop it. Everybody know I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. Rock, nigga, I got it. Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, yan po ang D-Shots! Yung tatlo ko ba, ito reminded me of the ladies from the Philippine All-Stars. Di ba tatlo rin sila doon? Ang galing din. Anyways, ilan kayo? Ilan kayo sa grupo nyo? Ilan? 13. Ah, okay. So, anyways, matanong ko lang Okay, girls. Ilan ang guys dito? Guys, yung guys talaga. Yung guys talaga. Tatlo. Apat. Halo-halo. Ano yung sabihin ng halo-halo? Ano yung sabihin ng halo-halo?
All genders nandiyan.
Ano ba yun?
Oo, nandiyan na sila lahat.
Ikaw naman parang ginagawa mo talk show to eh.
Huwag mo lang nagawin.
Hindi mo, mahalo ka sa, it's the first time na parang nakita ko na ang galing nila sumayaw. So I wanted to know. Anyways, so these shots, relax muna kayo dyan. Let's try to hear from Miss CJ. The Acosta first. We're gonna reserve Miss Maribeth now, I think according to whoever.
Let me start with your costume. So we appreciate the color of orange. Because it's the logo of Rockman. Logo ng Rockman, orange.
No. Actually, nagkampanya sila kay Villar.
Anyway, we can see that you all have your unique looks. Diba? Yung individuality, but you are good as a group. So that's what we like about it. And malambot yung katawan ng mga guys, ha?
Wow.
Tapos,
That answers your question? Yeah, that answers my question. Ang galing eh. Iba, grabe talaga. Natuwa ako.
Saka may mga movements kami na nakita sa group na to na hindi namin nakita sa iba. So, let's offer now.
If I may add, kasi I think you went through the entire gamut of dance steps and dance routines, all types of dances, kulang na lang pagdalgo sa ilaw.
I love the group, they're good. Maraming nangyari, maraming nagagawa. Nagpaka-girl yung boys, yung girl nagpaka-boy. Alam mo yun,
Tama,
yung
yes.
ginamit nila lahat, yung effort as a group.
Yeah.
Tapos nag-stand out yung mga babae.
Natuwa nga ako na naiwan silang tatlo doon.
Oo, tapos nag-stand out din yung mga ibang babae. Panindigan nila yung gusto nilang message sa audience
Yes.
na kahit ganito kami, we can do the best thing. We can dance the way you want us to dance.
Yo!
So, they're great. Saan ba kayo nagpa-perform?
Ayun, so kayo nag-perform? Sino?
Nag-compete na kayo?
Wala.
Nag-compete na kayo? Where?
Step up battle, that's, I like step up dance battle, then, Young David Ready or Not, and last week po,
Not on television. Wala pa sa television.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. O baka gusto mo yung bulaga.
Bulaga. Hindi ako producer nun eh.
Pwede mo ini.
Nabaga ko si Malu Pagar.
Hopefully po.
Parang Joey, ka-text cover.
Oo. Sige. Ipagpatuloy niyo yung ginagawa niyo, nandun pa rin yung attitude niyo, yung stage presence is very important. Nandun pa rin. Meron pumapalpak sa stance, tuloy pa rin ang higaya. Yung walang nakakapansin na nagkakamali. Kasi ang dami ko nakikita nagkakamali, but because pero sa iba, tuloy niyo lang. Maganda yung ginagawa niyo, yung look niyo, kanya-kanyang hairstyle, it's very important. Na hindi lang basta magaling kayo sumayaw, kailangan may character kayo bawat tutugtong kayo ng stage para naaalala kayo.
Okay, thank you, judges. Maraming salamat.